Wait, before you toss that broken speaker, you're about to make a mistake. Because in less than 2 minutes, I'm going to show you 3 killer tricks that can revive it and leave it better than new. Yep, longer battery life, better charging, and even better radio reception. So don't go anywhere. Because this video could save you money and turn you into a DIY pro. First up, the most common problem. The speaker drains super fast. You charge it up and in no time at all it shuts off. The solution? Very simple. Swap out the battery for one with a higher capacity. We use an 18650 type battery that lasts way longer. You can even wire it in parallel to double the battery life. The result? More hours of uninterrupted music. Now let's tackle the second problem. That charging port that always seems to break. You plug it in, unplug it, and one day it simply stops working. But here comes the PRO tip. We replace it with a more durable connector. That way you can keep charging your speaker without relying on the damaged port. And the best part? This new connector is much more durable. Forget about struggling with loose cables. Just plug it in, and you're all set. Plus, we still use the same 5 volts as a standard charger. So you don't need anything weird or complicated. Third trick, and almost no one knows this one. Is your FM radio sounding bad or not picking up a signal? Do you know why? Because the antenna is too short. The solution is to extend that wire. Yep, it's that simple. By doing this, you'll drastically improve reception and pick up more stations. After these 3 changes, check this out. More battery, better charging, and better radio signal. Basically, you turned a broken speaker into an upgraded version. So now you know. Before you throw something away, try fixing it. If you like this trick, comment "I want more." And follow me for more killer tech hacks. Because here, we turn trash into pro gear.